When I was a limited partner, I didn't know at the beginning how to vet operators of different sponsors. So as a sponsor and an operator now, let me tell you how to do it. Number one, find out from the sponsor operating team if they have done a similar size deal. If you're looking at a 50 unit, have they done something 50 and above? And if they have, maybe within the last 6 months to a year, take a look at it. Ask them for where the address is. Ask them to see if what their pro forma looks like. Ask them for their operations and see who's the property manager. Then you can do research on the property management. Do the research on how the apartment is actually performing right now. And you can look at apartments.com and see how many rooms are actually vacant. Are there 2 bedrooms vacant, 1 bedrooms? And you can tell if it's a 50 unit, maybe they have 3 units available. You can confirm that their occupancy rate is really in the 94 percentile because every unit is 2%, right? When you have 50 units. And ask around, ask other investors, hey, have you invested with this person before? Have you invested with this group before? And if they have, well, can you give me a referral? Or maybe you don't know anyone. Ask them for a referral, people who have invested with them. Then you could ask, well, how did their deals go? What were their prior deals like? How's that running? Make them show you some stats, financials, see how transparent they are. The more transparent the operator is, they're honest about it, and they're not trying to hide anything. The ones who are, we can't give you that, we can't give you this. I mean, I've had an operator tell me, well, this is the name of the apartment complex. You can just look it up. And I was like, I looked it up and it was not in existence. So it's one of those things where the more value that they can provide for you and honesty and transparency, hopefully that earns you more trust. And eventually it is an investment. An investment is something where, yes, could you potentially lose everything? Yeah, you can potentially lose your investment. Ask the operator, what are the risks in this investment? And if there are the risk, how are they doing to mitigate against that risk? Hope you have learned a lot on how to invest passively, and happy investing.